Yeah, hello guys, welcome again to my channel. It's your girl Doreen, and welcome to my YouTube channel, This Travel. Yes, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. Yes, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always staying tuned to my videos. Yes, so on today's video, I'll be talking about countries with the highest minimum wage. Yes, countries with the highest minimum wage. I know as I'm talking now, a lot of people are saying, this country, that country. Don't worry, just wait. Let me give you the download. Yes. Alright guys, welcome again to my channel. Yes, on number one today is Australia. Yes, sorry, I'll be looking down because I don't want to give you guys a wrong information, so I have them jotted down after my research, so I will just be looking at the points and giving you an explanation on all of them. Yes, so number one on my list today is Australia. Australia has a payment of 14.54 dollars per hour. Yes, in Australia, like the starting point is from 14.54 per hour, for $14.54 per hour. That's what you earn working in Australia. Yes, and the country is full of animals. For example, snake. If you know, you can Google it and check it out. It's full of snakes, and you don't have to kill your snake. So if you are thinking of relocating to Australia, I think you should think about all of that. You put that in consideration. Yes, and they are English speaking. Yes, number one is Australia. Then number two is Luxembourg. Luxembourg pays 13.54 US dollars, yes, per hour. That's the minimum wage, meaning if you work depending on your field, you can earn more than that. Yes, that's just the least you can get in Luxembourg. Yes, it's one of the richest country, and one more thing is they don't pay for transport. Transportation is free in Luxembourg. Yes, but it's not a English speaking country. Yes, and the cost of living is high. You can learn their language. Yes, that's that about Luxembourg. Then number three on our list today is New Zealand. New Zealand pays 13.18 dollars. Yes, and it's an English speaking country, meaning if you work at the minimum wage you can get is 13.18 dollars per hour. Yes, and it's an English speaking country, not too expensive to live. Yes, so you're thinking of relocating and where to relocate to, maybe you should have a rethink on New Zealand. Yes, so our number four for today is Monaco. I know a lot of you have not heard about this. I'm also, in course of this research, I also stumbled on this country for the very first time. Yes, I know a lot of people are like me. So Monaco pays 11.88 per hour. That's the minimum wage. Yes, and it's a non-English speaking country. Yes, thank you. So on our number five is Ireland, and they pay 13.54 per hour for their minimum wage, and it's an English speaking country. Then our number six for today, which will be the final one. Then after this video, I'll give you guys the second phase, the remaining countries that also are highly that are their payments are high. Yes, our number six for today is France. France payment is 11.46 dollars per hour. Yes, 11.46 dollars per hour, and it's a French speaking country. Yes, so if you are thinking of relocating to any country, if you feel France best fit what you want, I think you should consider France. Yes, so on today's video we'll just be doing this 6 for now, and I'll be giving you guys the remaining countries. Yes, I know a lot of you will say, ah, my UK is not here, my Canada. Don't worry, when I give you the part 2 of this video, that's where you know where your UK and your Canada falls. Yes, so don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till I see you again on this channel, it's your girl This Travel. Bye.